Am I the only one that didn't know sex and masturbation could be meditative? Yeah, it's a game changer. So, picture this, meditation is all about reaching a state of no mind, right? Now imagine being so fully immersed in sex or masturbation that nothing else exists. No distractions, no wandering thoughts, just pure presence. When you're totally in the moment, sex becomes a meditative experience. The same goes for masturbation. If you approach it with full awareness, it shifts from a routine act to a mindful practice. But here's the catch. Our minds are wired to seek pleasure. Even during sex, it's common to have fleeting thoughts about other people. That's just our restless human nature. The trick is channeling this restlessness. By being fully aware, even these moments can become meditative. It's not about fighting your thoughts, but gently guiding them back to the present. So next time, try it. Be fully there. You might just unlock a new dimension of mindfulness.